I used to turn my fireplace off and on like this, but I've evolved. Because seriously, who wants to use remotes when you can actually use gestures to turn things off and on? It ain't science fiction, it's just computer science.
You are now connected to your Camaro.
Let's go ahead and let me understand.
Camaro trunk open.
And if you take a look at my custom map, you can see my face inside the car with the windows down. Let me customize your car. What does my wall panel look like when the door's open? Check this out.
Front door open.
Let's open the kitchen door. Makes it easier to notice if you're walking past the wall panel. This is what my 3D floor plan looks like when the door is open. It's accelerating. Okay, so if a room is too cold, these turn blue. If it's the right temperature, it'll turn yellow, which is my office because I work from home. Climate control is not on in these rooms, so I have to worry about wasting electricity or gas trying to heat up those rooms. If it was too hot, it would actually turn red.
Baby, come to me. Let me put my arms around you. This was meant to be. And I'm also glad I found you.
Something special for you gearheads, I set up this touchscreen TV to be able to get vehicle performance data such as whether or not I need an oil change, how the car is performing, and even how much gas is in the vehicle. That's exactly why I love technology. I got 3 games going on and I'm programming at the same time. Let's go bigger. Now that's how you watch football. What does my wall panel look like when the door's open? Check this out.
Front door open.
Let's open the kitchen door. Makes it easier to notice if you're walking past the wall panel. This is what my 3D floor plan looks like when the door is open. It's accelerating. For my guests, I have climate control and a 3D floor plan, and when you walk out on the loft, it lights up to ensure that you have light when you're walking out there at night. My guests are treated to a light show inside the shower. No keys around here. I'll give you a temporary passcode to get in and out the door. Or I may give you a card. My guests can eat inside of the dining room, which has an LED canvas that changes colors based on the weather. Or guests can eat in the kitchen where the lights change colors based on when teams score. Ziggy, look at me.
Okay.
Ziggy, turn your head to the right.
Yes, sir. Head to the right.
You don't always have to use your phone to look at your security cameras. You can do like me and reprogram your watch. Here's a view from the front of my house. Dope. Here are a couple of my key fobs that can control my cars. And here's a key fob that I'm developing that controls my cars, my garage door, my fans, my cable box, my lights, my security system. Screen down.
Let's go.
Okay, so my kid is home on vacation right now. He typically sleeps in his bedroom. He is currently in his game room. If you look really closely, he left that damn Xbox on.
Destiny, girl, you're all I need. Shoot me, oh you baby, girl, you're all I.
Sir, there is a speed trap up ahead.
It was a goal of mine this year to create different voice assistants for each one of my cars. Check this out.
Welcome to Big Black. Please use caution when driving. Let's roll out.
Welcome. Hello, sir. Welcome to the Camaro RS.
Welcome to your Z51 Corvette. Thanks for picking me, and not that slow-ass Camaro.
Well, for starters, you left the damn bathroom light on. Loser. Well, the lazy ass is supposed to be at work, but you have that canera in my damn face. Turning off the bedroom lights. Take your ass to work.
Really?
That you made, who you be? Girl, I wanna love you till the morning comes. When I wake up, I wanna see the sun with you, babe. How you, babe? Girl, I wanna love you till my heart just drops.
Here's what I have set up first thing in the morning when it's time to take the dog out.
Stop. Wait. Do not go out the door. A total of 1 person was detected in the driveway.
Love